The Battle of St. Charles, fought on June 17, 1862, was a significant naval engagement during the American Civil War. It took place on the White River in Arkansas and involved Union forces attempting to secure a strategic point along the river to facilitate further operations in the Western Theater. The Union expedition, commanded by Lieutenant Commander Augustus Kilty, consisted of several gunboats and transport vessels carrying infantry from the 46th Indiana Volunteer Infantry, led by Colonel Graham N. Fitch. Their objective was to advance up the White River and establish a foothold in Confederate-held Arkansas. The Confederate forces, under the command of Captain Joseph Fry, had fortified positions at St. Charles, utilizing artillery batteries to control the river. They had also strategically placed underwater mines, known as torpedoes, to impede Union naval movements. As the Union gunboats approached, they came under heavy fire from the concealed Confederate batteries. The USS Mound City, one of the leading gunboats, was hit by artillery fire that struck its steam drum, causing a catastrophic explosion. The explosion killed or injured many aboard, leading to significant casualties. Despite the setback, Union forces regrouped and launched a coordinated assault on the Confederate positions. The infantry advanced and managed to overrun the Confederate defenses, securing St. Charles. The Union victory at St. Charles allowed them to control a crucial part of the White River, facilitating further operations in the region. However, the battle also highlighted the dangers of riverine warfare and the devastating impact of well-placed artillery.